Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And again, I am Teacher Nadine, and I will be helping you how to download files from Facebook groups. Okay, so our children nowadays that they are studying at home or they are having their online class and um, going to school is limited only. So I think that the best way to retrieve or to get the files from school or to get the modules from school or any worksheets from school or from your teacher is to get those modules, worksheets, or quizzes or whatsoever from the Facebook group. So this is an example of Facebook group, okay, that I'm just going to show you. It's not mine, okay? So it's a Facebook group that I am a member. So as a member, I just want you to show you, it's just like as you as a member, okay? And so how do I download those files? So here's the homepage of this Facebook group. Okay, so actually this is a um, Facebook group of all Deaf and Grade 5 teachers. Okay, so we have here some links. So we have about, which is the info discussion, wherein you can post your comments or if you want to um, upload something or videos or files, and then announcement. Okay, you can check if there's announcement from the group and the members of the group, and events if there are, and media. Okay, it's most of the these media are actually the photos that you have, the list and collections of photos and videos that the members have uploaded, and now the files. Okay, so I'm going to show you the files here that the members have been uploading, okay, or uploaded. So you also can upload, okay? It depends on the settings of the Facebook group if you can upload or not. Okay, so I'm gonna click here the PDF file, and it went to this original. It went to the original file where the teacher have uploaded this. Okay, so let's go back to the file link of file page, and then there you go. So the easiest way to upload or to download rather is to have these three buttons on the right side. Okay, so don't forget the three buttons. The three buttons are very important, and click this and CC. Okay, the download link is already um seen here, and then click the download, then automatically you have downloaded the file that you have chosen. Okay, and see you next time, and I'll try to create a video of downloading these files from a phone, okay, because it's different, the settings are different, okay, when you download on a Android phone. Okay, so there you go. So see you next time and keep safe.